Okay, let's be real. Have you ever typed a prompt into an AI hoping for pure genius and what you get back is just bland, super generic, maybe even totally useless? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you the secret to getting those professional, high-quality results isn't really about the AI? It's all about you and how you ask. So let's dive into this explainer and turn those vague prompts into something incredibly valuable. Just look at this, seriously. On the left, a simple prompt like, write about dogs, gives us, well, a pretty boring high school level paragraph. But on the right, a detailed, structured prompt produces this perfectly formatted, really insightful piece of content. And here's the kicker. The exact same AI made both of these. The only thing that changed was the prompt. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you get the result on the right every single time. To get there, we really need to make a fundamental shift in how we think. We have to stop treating these large language models like they're human, like they can read our minds. Instead, we need to start thinking more like a programmer, giving instructions to a computer. It's all about being explicit, being super clear, and leaving absolutely nothing to chance. And this whole idea actually has a name. It's called explicit prompting. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's the practice of giving the AI a crystal clear, structured set of instructions. Look, this isn't about being bossy, right? It's about giving the AI a perfect roadmap so it can drive straight to that amazing output you've got pictured in your head. This is the absolute key to getting consistent, precise results. This whole approach really stands on three core pillars. First, you've got to give the AI a role and the context it needs. Who is it supposed to be? Who's the audience? Second, you have to specify the exact format you want for the output. And third, you state your goal with total, complete clarity. These three things, they're the building blocks for every single pro-level prompt you're going to write from now on. All right, let's get into our first major technique that really puts those pillars into action. And honestly, it's one of the most powerful things you can do. Use examples. In the AI world, you'll hear this called few-shot prompting. And it's all based on a super simple idea that we all know. It's way better to show someone what you want than to just tell them. And the reason this works so well is that you're basically creating a shortcut for the AI's learning process. So instead of writing out a dozen rules like, hey, use an academic tone or make sure this is a list, you just give it a perfect example. AIs are brilliant at recognizing patterns, so it'll just look at your example and figure out all those little rules all by itself. It's a game changer. And here's a perfect low-level example of how that works in practice. See these example tags? We're wrapping a sample input and the perfect output right inside them. What this does is it basically screams to the AI, hey, pay attention. This isn't the real job yet. This is your cheat sheet. Learn this pattern. By providing this clean template, you're setting a precedent that's, pretty much unbreakable. Okay, on to our second game-changing technique, adding structure. Let's face it, a long, complex prompt can just become a messy wall of text, right? It's confusing for you, and it's definitely confusing for the AI. The solution is to build a kind of scaffold for your information, to create clear, labeled sections. So just like we saw with those example tags, using simple XML-style tags helps the AI tell the difference between your instructions, the source material it needs to use, and your formatting rules. But, there's a huge benefit for you, too. It makes your prompts so much easier to read, to edit, and, this is a big one, to debug when things aren't going quite right. Now let's check out a more complex example. Here, we've built these really clear compartments using tags. The instructions tag, well, that holds the main job. The document to analyze tag fences off the specific text it needs to work on. And the output format tag tells it exactly how the final result should look. There's zero ambiguity here. Every single piece of the prompt has a clear purpose, which creates this perfect, logical flow for the AI to follow. Okay, it is time for the big payoff. We've talked about the right mindset, the power of showing examples, and the clarity you get from structure. Now, let's put it all together and give that weak, useless prompt from the beginning a complete pro-level makeover. This is going to be fun. Remember this thing? Write about dogs? And remember that generic, totally forgettable paragraph it spit out? Well, that is all about to change, because now we have the tools to tell the AI exactly what we want. So how do we build this thing from the ground up? First, we give it a role and context. You are a witty science writer for a popular blog. Boom, instantly the tone is set. Second, we drop in a perfect example of the kind of output we want, wrapped in those awesome example tags. And third, we structure the whole shebang with clear tags for our instructions and the final task. See how each step just layers on more and more precision and control? And here we are, right back where we started, but now it all makes sense. You now understand the exact process that took that vague request and turned it into this sharp, well-formatted, insightful result. It wasn't magic, was it? It was just a smart combination of showing, not telling, and building a clear scaffold for the AI to follow. You now know exactly how to do this yourself. You see, prompting isn't really about asking questions. It's about designing instructions. You now have the keys to go from being a passive user to an active architect of AI output. So the only question left is, what amazing doors are you going to unlock?